Welcome! Today we're going to learn how to use the concatenate function in Microsoft Excel. It is a function used to combine different pieces of text or values together from several cells into one cell. Open Microsoft Excel and input your data. In my worksheet, as you see here, I have 3 separated columns: last name, first name, and middle initial. But I want to combine these 3 data texts in the full name column, in the sequence of first name, then middle initial, then last name. To combine these values together, I can use the concatenate function and input this in the full name column cell. In the space provided for the full name, here, we need to type the formula, or you can choose to type in this area. We start by typing equals concatenate. Then we fill in the sequence that we want. So I want the combined text to be first name, then middle initial, and then last name. So after typing equals concatenate, we add an open parenthesis. And then we start by clicking a first name cell. So we choose to click 1 first, or B4. And then we add semicolon to separate values. And then we put double quotation marks with a space in between. This is added so that when we combine the text, there is space between them and it will not condense together. And then we put another semicolon, again for separation. And then it's time to click a middle initial cell, that is letter D or C4. And then we put another semicolon for separation. And then another double quotation marks with space in between to add space. And then we add another semicolon for separation. And then lastly, we click a last name cell or cruise or A4 for this data. And then finally, we put close parenthesis. In some Microsoft version, comma is used instead of semicolon. And then we click enter. As you see here, the moment you press enter, you can see that the text was combined in the format we want. That is first name first, and then middle initial, then followed by the last name. To implement this function or the concatenate function to the rest of the data, we can just click the plus sign arrow that appears if you focus your mouse at the edge of the cell. The moment we click the plus sign arrow, the concatenate function then is implemented to the rest of the data. That is, we now have Bea E. Alonso and then Angel A. Locsin by just dragging the plus sign arrow. Well done! Thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button and hit the like button if this video helped you a lot. See ya for the next video. Thank you!